In the starting, I felt like your English was very good, but I think it was just introduction only, and I guess you uh, रट्टा करके आया था introduction. It felt like that. Okay, hi sis, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also good. Thank you so much. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, of course, sir. Sir, my name is Ray Sandip Moite. I'm 19-year-old, hailing from the Itzalkaranji, a city known for its vibrant textile industry and rich culture heritage, also known as the Manchester City of Maharashtra. Talking about my studies, I completed my 10th grade from the Manera School and 12th grade from the New School, and both are affiliated to the Maharashtra State Board. Talking about my family, I am coming from a humble nuclear family. My father worked in textile industry, while my mother is a dedicated homemaker. Apart from my parents, I have the younger sister and she is studying in 12th class. Talking about my hobbies, I'm passionate about playing cricket and the traveling, and both of which help me to develop the teamwork, discipline, and adaptability. And these experiences have strengthened my desire to pursue career in merchant navy, where I can combine my skills and a passion to thrive in a dynamic and the challenging environment. That's about all, me, sir.
Okay. So you mentioned a change in your school. What was the reason?
Sir, because the my old school is for only like the highest standard is only 10th, sir. That's why, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. What change did you notice in the school?
Sir, the changes like the educational system, because in my old school, the teacher is good, but the education that provides us is not that much more. Because in new schools, I understand the how we backward. Because in my old school, they are not focusing on the subjects like the English and the local communication. But in my new school, they focus on that also. Also in the
Mm.
sports, they are good.
Okay. Which sport you used to play?
Sir, I used to play, sir, the cricket, and I'm captain of the college team for the 4 years, and also the vice captain
Okay,
for 3 years.
okay, okay. So you are into the sports and you are the captain of your cricket team.
Yes, sir.
What exactly you were doing when you used to lose the match?
Sir, I motivate my team, because the losses is coming in our life, because there is always not what do what we think. So we don't have to we don't have to uh, back ourselves, and again we have to try with our full potential, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Tell me the angriest moment of your life.
Okay, sir. So the angriest moment of my life, like there was the under 19 match in our district, and from that the judges are selected the players for the under 19 team. So I'm not get selected. That's was my angriest moment of life.
Angriest kind of what? Like you were angry on the
Be-
management or you were angry
no,
on
sir.
yourself?
Angry on myself, sir, because that time I'm not to play like before, sir.
Okay. So now moving to the technical part. What is Archimedes principle? Suresh?
Okay, sir. Sir, the Archimedes principle states that when body is fully or partially immersed in liquid, so the upward buoyant force uh, is act on it, which is equal to the weight of the liquid that body displaces, and its formula is F is equal to minus rho gv.
Okay.
हे गाइस, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो, पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं, राइट? ऑल्सो स्किप नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट एन एड। आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो। Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
What is ideal gas equation?
Okay, sir. Sir, the ideal gas equation is the PV is equal to nRT, in which the P is the pressure, V is the volume, N is the number of moles, R is the gas constant, which value is 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin, and the T is the temperature.
Okay. What is what is that constant? What is the value of the constant?
The value of constant is 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin.
What are the kinematic equation?
Yeah, sorry, sir, I can't hear you.
What are the kinematic equations?
Okay, sir. Sir, the kinematic equation is the U, that is the initial velocity, V is the final velocity, is the acceleration, S is the displacement, and the T is the time.
I'm asking about the equation. not
Okay,
the meaning of
okay.
the V
Sir,
U I.
okay, sir. Sir, the first equation is V is equal to U plus AT. The second one is the S is equal to UT plus half AT square. The third one is the V square is equal to U square plus 2AS.
Okay, okay. What is the capital of Argentina?
Uh, Sir, the capital of Argentina is the sir. Sorry, sir, not sure about it. I will
Okay,
check it out.
okay. Let me know the neighboring countries of India in clockwise direction.
Okay, sir. Uh, first one is the Pakistan. Uh,
What is the capital of Pakistan?
Sir, the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad.
ठीक है. So yes, good one, decent one also.
Okay, sir.
In the starting, I felt like your English was very good, but I think it was just introduction only, and I guess you रट्टा करके आया था introduction. It felt like that. So
Okay,
we
sir.
can go थोड़ा सा slow, ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
introduction में, and बाकी we need to work on our English speaking as well as technical knowledge as well, because technical knowledge में तो बहुत problem हो रही है, right?
Okay, sir.
Most of the answer में कुछ ना कुछ चीजें देखो, the small elements which are wrong वो नोटिस करते हैं. इवन आई नोटिस, बट मैं बीच में कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा, एकदम ऐसा ही होगा, कोई कुछ नहीं बोलने वाला तुमसे, बट दैट विल क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम. तुम्हारा सिलेक्शन बंद हो जाए एंड तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि तुम सेलेक्ट क्यों नहीं हो, क्योंकि पूरा थ्रू आउट द इंटरव्यू तो इंटरव्यू में कुछ बोला ही नहीं, राइट?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
ओवरऑल प्रेजेंटेशन वाइज वेरी गुड, टाई पहन के व्हाइट शर्ट है, वेरी गुड, क्लीन सेव, बाल भी सही है, वेरी गुड, ठीक है. आवाज भी सही से आ रही है, इंटरनेट ऑनलाइन अगर इंटरव्यू होता तो भी वेरी गुड. बट वही है, सिर्फ कुछ चीजें हैं जिनको हम लिख के विल राइट द आंसर, विल फर्स्ट फ्रेम द आंसर, एंड देन उसके बाद से उसको हम पढ़ के उसकी प्रैक्टिस करें, ढेर सारा मॉक इंटरव्यू दें, इट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू आउट बहुत सारा, ठीक है. यू नो तुम्हें क्या बोलना है, बट यू आर नॉट एबल टू फ्रेम इट आउट. तो फॉर दैट यू कैन डू कि पहले लिख लेता है आंसर, एंड देन उसको रटते हैं, ठीक है, रटते हैं इन द सेंस पढ़ते हैं, एंड देन वी कैन प्रैक्टिस इट इन द मॉक इंटरव्यू, ठीक है. आई
Yes, sir.
सजेस्ट दिस. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब हम मिलते हैं, आई नीड बेटर परफॉर्मेंस,
Yes, sir. Of course.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
ओके, चलो यू कैन लीव.
Thank you, sir.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए? Then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMUCET and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.